if you want to delete Safari history on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So you have the one option. You can go ahead to your browser and then click the book icon at the bottom right, and then just go ahead and click clear. And from here, you're gonna be able to clear all the history, right? Or today and yesterday or the last hour, and select the profiles if you have a specific profile that you want to delete the history of. So you can just go back to your screen as well. This is the second option, and go ahead to the settings. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll a little bit down, click apps, search for Safari, click on it, and then what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see the same settings by clicking clear history and website data, and the same settings will appear. And then click clear history, and then you're gonna be able to double click to confirm that you want to delete the history of Safari. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.